You said before it's hard to transfer customers from Etsy to Shopify. Is this false or not? Yeah, it's hard to transfer people over. Yeah. Because people on Etsy, like, you got to think about their buying mentality, okay? So they are buying from Etsy. Okay, so I run a website called mylicorice.co.uk. You guys can check it out. I'll post a link in the description. I'll post a link in the video right now. mylicorice.co.uk. Okay, so it's my website. It's my brand. I have it with a partner, but it's my fucking, okay? But something like this, right? They are buying it from mylicorice.co.uk. They're going from Facebook ads, Google ads, whatever ads we're running. They're going from there and they're buying it from mylicorice.co.uk. So when they tell people, where'd you get this licorice from? You don't say Facebook, where they actually saw it first from. They say my licorice, or I bought it from some licorice website. Whereas when you buy from Etsy, the store might be called Caitlin Minimalist or Velo Productions. They don't give a fuck about that bullshit. They bought it from Etsy, G. It's like when you buy something from Amazon, do you know the name of the store you bought it from Amazon? So if you understand that, then you understand it's going to be very hard to transfer customers over because they don't care about you. They just care about the cool product.